Hello and welcome to Cool Stuff at Dunwoody. I'm William from Marketing, and today I am here with two automated systems and robotics students, Matthew Peterzane and Corey Evans, and they're going to show us something that they put together for a class project. Take it away, Matthew.
Hello. So right here we have the FANUC M410i robotic arm. I'm going to demonstrate the palletizing routine that we put together.
Okay.
Right here is the teach pendant. It's not active right now. This is where we write the program in, and I'm going to start it up as we speak. So here's a disconnect box. You want to look away from it as you turn it on. You got to come over here, and here's the on-off for the robot. Before we turn that on, I'm going to open it up and I'm going to show you that we put in this motor starter. We organized these I/O cards, and we also organized the wiring that went involved with all of this. Now that we closed it, you got to turn away, turn it on, come back over here again, and push the on button. And it takes a few minutes. It takes about 15 seconds or so for this to warm up, teach pendant to get the signals back and forth to the computer and the robotic arm. So the good thing about this right now, before we go into auto run mode, we have to make sure that the light curtain, which are these yellow individual pillars here, that go all around, surround this robotic arm as the work envelope or the work cell. And we need to hit the reset button here to turn that light on to activate this cell. So now that we got this running, I'll hit the reset to clear the fault. Turn the teach pendant off, edit program, and then we'll hit the cycle. So as you can see right now, the robot's doing its programmed function by picking up the boxes at a specific point on this conveyor. And when it comes time to where there's no boxes on the conveyor, there's a sensor hooked up here where it will tell the robot to wait. If there aren't any boxes, there aren't anything breaking that infrared, that reflective beam. So as you can tell right now, it's waiting to be told that there's a box. What's going to happen is we're going to leave the conveyor. We're going to wait. The boxes that are on here are going to be on here, and then we're going to see another wait command. And then after that last box comes, you'll see that the robotic arm will go back to home, and then it will shut off completely.